Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. Hello or hi. How are you? Fine, thanks, and you? What's up? What's up? What's happening? How is it going? Everything is going well. Everything is good. What are you up to? I have been better. Not so good. Bye or goodbye. See you. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you soon. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. You, Ray, welcome. Please. I am sorry. Excuse me. Bless you. Enjoy your meal. Take care. What's your name? My name is. My name is Juice. Nice to meet you. You tell me.